I'm so happy to be here.
It's been a long time, 20 years.
Well, since we saw each other,
Of course, yes. So how are you today?
Oh, of course, I'm so excited to be here for a new project. Surprise!
Yes.
Alam niyo naman ako, tahimik lang ako kumilos. But, biglang meron na. So, I'm really happy na meron ako finally ibabalik or ibibigay sa lovers ko. Lovers ko! So, my loves, my supporters, my subscribers, and my followers. I'm really happy. Thank you for having me.
Of course, anytime, my dear. I know you're very busy nowadays promoting your latest international film. Your very first international film, right?
Yes.
Congratulations for that. So, aside from the promotion, ano pong ginagawa ni Casey Concepcion since you arrived home?
Oh my goodness! Well, syempre, meron po akong online business. For now, yung Avecma Jewelry.
Yeah.
So, I've been busy.
It's online?
Yeah, so for now, it's word of mouth and it's
okay.
online. But it's something that I like that it's actually, hindi ako maingay. Pero, nagugulat ako that every day we are making sales and every day, alam niyo yung meron akong dinidesign. Kasi ang joke ko dyan, alahera na ba ako ngayon?
Yes.
Pero hindi, it's not really alahera kasi ang common na alam ng tao dito is alahera nagbabayan sell, di ba yung ganyan? Or talagang big...
You're a producer, a manufacturer.
I design.
And you design and you
and
produce it.
Yes, so it's
So
really
you have
my
a site,
brand.
you have a factory or a work site?
I work with partners.
Okay.
And I have my own brand.
Based where?
So for now, it's based here in the U.S. So
okay.
it's, I have a lot of, diba, jewelry?
Actually, I'm going to ask you later pa dyan.
Exciting because I grew as an artist. That's what I always say na, artist kasi, we have, parang, once you're an artist, you're always an artist.
Yes.
And it's not just one discipline. So of course for me, I started musical theater, you sing, dance, and you act all at the same time. And you do 3-hour shows every day. How many times? 5 to 7 times a week. And then I got into TV. And then talagang inikot ko yan from the time we last saw each other. Okay, so First I VJ'd for MTV before. And then eventually, with the network, I did talk shows from morning show Simply Casey to gossip show The
You
Buzz
were everywhere.
to ASAP Noontime and then I also did teleseries and then also movies.
But before we go to all these details, let's talk first about the Asian Persuasion.
Yes.
Okay, now, the movie was entirely shot in New York City.
What was it? 2022.
2020.
Last year.
Last year lang,
Yes.
pero still.
It was last year. We were filming my birthday, April 2022, until around, I think, May or June. Parang something like that.
But the offer came.
The offer came,
a year
I
ahead.
think, oh gosh, I don't remember. Beginning of the year also.
Okay.
So, siya, I had to fly kasi nag-aaral ako sa sa Los Angeles. So sabi ko, okay, wala pa namang nagtitaping ulit. Hindi pa ako makaka-come back. Sabi ko, mag-aaral muna ako. Sabi ko, because marami akong kamag-anak na ganun yung ginagawa. Parang nag-online course or biglang nasa London na. Ay, in fairness, hindi siya nasa stuck sa bahay na,
busy.
May ginagawa. So sabi ko, parang I wanna do that. I wanna continue my studies. So, I already have a diploma with GIA, Applied Jewelry Professional Diploma. It's just, Diamond Essentials, Colored Stone Essentials. Sabi ko, itutuloy ko na lang yung 1 year na gemology diploma. So,
it was a course, really.
Mahaba
it was
siya.
a certificate.
Parang 9 certificates in 1. I have 3 na. So sabi ko, okay, tatapusin ko na lang yung last 6 or maling math ko, 5.
And then the
Tama ba ako 6,
Then offer came.
And then I didn't know. Lilipat pala ako ng New York from Los Angeles because I would be doing a movie na hindi naakala.
Unexpected.
Unexpected.
Oh, that's nice. And it was done through your mom.
Actually, he's the producer, Jet.